Hey, what's going on, guys? How we doing? How we doing today? Here I am. Hope everyone's doing good. I think we're gonna get started right into some game dev here. No, last time we ended off messing around with the player effects. That's what it was. Yes. So we're changing the player projectiles, or the enemy projectiles, to affect player projectiles, and not just player projectiles to affect enemies. So we created this status script, and we were going to go and mess with that. Essentially what we want to do is take everything that's in enemy projectile here. No, sorry, everything that's in player projectile. Anyway, everything that's in enemy movement. That's what it was. And we want to put it in status. So I kind of laid out some things. It's like public void check poison, or public void poison. And so just to set some variables here, we're going to need a poison time. And set this to 0 initially. 0 initially. Okay, and then you want a timer. We actually want one for poison. Freeze. And stun. Then we're going to have poison damage. The poison time and the poison damage should both be they should both be private, because they should be set by the yeah, I don't want to do that. Okay. These two are going to be set by the projectile, and these are just completely within this script, so they don't need to be public. Could we just call it and do like if oh, I did not mean for these to be capital P. There we go. If the poison timer is greater than 0, then call poison. Nope, didn't want that. There we go. Okay, that was way harder than it should have been. Okay. So I guess let's do this for poison first. And in the projectile script, so yeah, it would be other dot get component interesting. Okay, and then status activate poison. You want float time and float strength. Oh, hold on. Okay, so then this should not set poison. So set poison time and strength, and then set, or no, initialize timer. So here we're going to do poison time equals time, and poison damage equals strength. Then here we're going to do time, poison timer plus equals time dot delta time. Okay. So this is good. I don't need to do this. So if poison timer is less than poison time, then we want to do poison time plus equals time dot delta time. And then else I don't know what I want to do. Bro, what? No, just goodness gracious. All right, reset the timer. The autofill is messing me up so bad right now. I can't even lie. Okay. Let's go ahead and save this. Let's go back to projectile. We'll set poison with, well, actually, is it time and strength? Oh, it's activate poison. Yeah. Poison time. And then poison strength. And I have these described here as, oh, how frequently it damages. That's right. That's right. Interesting. Wow, I was really smart when I did this last time. All right. Yeah, let's go ahead and put intensity in here as well. Just copy these comments over here. Okay, this does bring into a little bit different issue though. Also, let me just timer for poison effect. And then we're just gonna go ahead and copy it to these two and change this to freeze and change this to stun. So this does make this a little more complicated, but yeah, we're gonna need a private poison count. Ooh, no. How we should do this is let me do something here. So if your intensity is right, you only have 5 times. So intensity is 5. then how it goes is, so set your intensity to 5, strikes once, hit to 4, strikes twice, 3. So yeah, at first hit it to 5, then once is 4, twice is 3, 3 times is 2, 4 times is 1, and then the 5th time is 0. So if you say, if poison intensity is greater than 0, poison, and then instead of this, we do poison intensity equals, why would it be strength? You have small, oh, because there's no other thing. Int intensity. And that should go here. And then I just want to make sure this should actually be int instead of float, because you can't hit it 1.1 times. So then, okay, you set the poison intensity, and then you say, okay, well, if it's greater than that, do this. Then while poison intensity is greater while it's greater than 0. Well, it doesn't go in here if it's not greater than 0. So I guess you want poison time is greater than poison timer. No, you actually want this back to, oh, not less than poison timer. Yes. Timer also poison the you can do that. You have to update the health. No. You update the health. You decrease intensity. So poison intensity -1. Yeah. So then, okay. So if you're under the timer, just update the timer. That's it. Update the timer, you're good to go. Now, once you meet that time requirement, you want to deal the damage, you want to decrease the intensity, and then you want to reset the timer. And that's not poison time, that's should be poison timer. Not confusing at all. Okay. This should also be poison timer. Okay. Sweet. And then you just do if game object dot compare tag player then you do get component player health the update health poison damage. And then otherwise key component enemy health, update damage, poison damage, negative poison damage. It apparently did not like the negative up here. And just to confirm, if change is less than 0, it's current health plus change. Yeah, okay. Just making sure. Okay, so now I think this works for poison. I just have to go into the projectile script. And for poison, should be activate poison, poison time, poison strength. Poison intensity. And this, guys, is why you comment. Because I would not have known what the variable was doing otherwise. Player projectile, let's give it poison to start. Alright, let's see if this does anything. Or anything that we want it to do at least. So this freeze timer is assigned but is never used. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Alright. Oh, JK. Also, tag name is null or empty. Interesting. Let's go with the characters. Okay, so all of them now have a status script. Where was I getting this error though? Projectile 150. It should be other dot game object. Yeah. Okay, that should work because there's no tag on the individual. Yo, Boscons, thank you so much. Sorry, I didn't have the I did not see that, but thanks for the follow, man. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. I hope you're still watching. I apologize. I didn't see that. Hope you're having a good day, man. All right, let's see if this works. I actually don't even know if I had one. Okay. Tag name is null or not empty still. Interesting. Still at that same projectile 150 place. Yep. Very interesting. Other game object compare tag, but I'm not getting their other places. Oh, maybe because it's not like relevant other places. Okay, so I've done this before, and it's never been an issue before. Okay, well I guess let's log the let's log other. And try this again. Oh, I don't think I did stop it. Okay, good. Interesting. So yeah, it's 151 now. It's like bush, wall. Tag name is null or empty. Very interesting. I wonder if it's just happening. But I feel like an empty tag should not provoke an error. Let me look at the documentation for this, actually. All right, so the documentation, so if you do component compare tag or game object compare tag, returns true if game object has same tag, false otherwise. Is the reason that damage tag is not? I think that's the reason. That would make a lot of sense. Yeah, it wouldn't really even be, I don't want to say it's not possible, but it wouldn't really make sense that it would return an error about the actual objects tag when it's comparing two tags and giving a true false. No, it's still, what? What? Oh, yes, because this is empty. Okay, that makes sense. Where do am I not setting this anywhere? Right. Damage tag is never set at all. Okay. Oh. When I set immune tag equals that. And then if tag equals player, then the damage tag equals enemy, else it's going to equal player. Okay, now that we're actually setting this, it should be better. Why didn't it give me an error that this was never assigned? Like, I feel like there should definitely be an error that this variable is never assigned at all. All right, cool. That's good. That is very good. Oh, wait. There's a poison boy right here. The fact that it's going straight through me is interesting. Oh, it goes not good. Stuff is being skipped. Okay. When and where and how is this being called? That was called 60 times. There's not even a reference to this. Is it just because it's not in this script or what? Bro. I can't lie to you. I don't know why. This is such unexpected, like, such unexpected behavior. That's ridiculous. Why did it just call dead 51 times? I know why. Never mind. Never mind. It's because of this. It's because on every single update, what is it called, death? Where's the enemy movement? You can't say 137. Where's 137? 137 is right here. Yes. Because it's every single time it's checking if it's dead. And then if it is, it's doing that. Alright, well that's why. Which is dumb, but it's fine. It's not really what I care about. What I care about is this guy right here. Interesting. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that happened there. First of all, projectile had some errors. Right here. Damage occurred group. If it's enemy, then do this. I'm gonna assume there was just some overlap. It hit the enemy and the enemy got destroyed, and then okay. That's my guess. It's not breaking the game. I've never seen this before. I think I have seen that before. I think when the two were getting mixed, I think when stun and freeze were getting mixed up, it did that. Oh, it took away my errors. Or took away my logs. All right, whatever, it's fine. What else? My guess is it's an issue with this, right? Like, or in the projectile. It'd be in the projectile, I think. So the projectile is setting this to player when the tag is not player. So let's log the damage tag here. Let's do damage tag. A nice, look at that, a nice healthy log. Also, we can get rid of the one up here because I don't really want to put that anymore up here. Okay. I don't need to print it twice. My guess is it's not setting that correctly. That would be that's my initial guess. If that's wrong, then no, it's not wrong. Okay, cool. So now we have to figure out where this is being called. 11 references? Ah, that's why. Because they're all in player projectile, right? Yes, but an enemy shoot, they should all be set immune tag enemy instead of player. There we go, guys. We figured it out. This should work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be really sad. That'd be tragic. Okay. My gut is telling me it's gonna work though. I have a good feeling about this one. So first of all, I should be damaged by these. I am being damaged by these. That's good. Now I want this. Oh wait, I'm being poisoned. There's just no effect for it. This is not good. I don't know why this is being called. This is an issue. I know what I need to do for that though. That was poor design on my behalf. I just need to fix it. So am I losing health now? Let me go here. And let's see my health. And now you can see my current health is 150. That's such a lie. What do you mean my current health is 150? Oh, do I gain health? Oh, I'm getting hit by some things. How did I just go from 0 to 50 health? Is it because the bombs? Am I getting hit by the bombs? Is that what's causing me to die? I think it is the bombs. I think it's the bombs. Okay. So, couple of things. Holy Christmas, that's a lot. Projectile. Yeah, so I'm gonna do no. Deal damage. I need to deal damage. I also need to ensure that I'm playing the correct music. Alright, we're chilling. Okay. All right, we're good. What's the issue? The issue is I'm only calling enemy movement. So it should be, yeah, we'll say update health. Oh, actually, no. Wait, yes. But get rid of this. So that's gonna do something. So yeah, it wasn't even entering any of this. That makes sense because I thought this would be like there should have been an error here, but there wouldn't be if activate poison is poison. Okay, so get rid of this and get rid of. Actually, let me just comment these two lines out for now. I'll do the same here. Then if damage tag equals enemy, then we're gonna do a little other get component enemy health dot update health, and this should be damage, negative damage. That's what it should be. I really hope this is right because if it's not right, it's gonna take me a while to figure out because I did not reference the one that I just deleted. I should have done this first and then deleted the old part, but it's fine. This should be right. This has got to be right. This has got to be right. It's got to be right. Okay, let's see. Big moment here. Big moment. First off, okay. Currently no issues. Oh, that's some big. Okay, that was some huge projectile 183. What's 183? Oh, okay. Yeah, count this out for a second. That's good. I like that. All right. Let's go here. Let's do this. Let's save this. Let's go back here. Reload the game, and now we shouldn't get the error anymore. We'll just have to convert that to a status as well, and it'll be fine. No worries on that. Oh, that's some crazy knockback on that, bro. Oh, I just got clapped. Oh, the damage also does 50. Okay. Wow. We're just racking up the kills over here. Don't worry about me. I just want to see this poison. I need a poison guy to come over here. Get clapped. I like that they shoot their own projectiles too. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, I just got cooked. Just got fried. Fried. Oh, I was wrong. Okay, well, that's cool. That's cool. It's cool and all. It's cool and all. Loki, I feel like everything should bounce. Bro, I just want the poison one. Is that too much to ask for? Like, bro, that's crazy. That is insane. I like that. All right, man. Let me do this. Let me just throw a poison enemy down. Okay, now let's try this. Now let's try it. It works. It works. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it works. It works. All right, cool. Cool, cool, cool. We can go and delete these now. So now what? Now we just have to update that for the other two. Status. Okay, so now we got to do freeze. It's very similar. So it's going to be activate freeze. And then this is just going to be freeze. Actually, this should just be... Yeah, this is just a time, right? Player projectile. No, projectile. Oh, wait, yeah. Player project. No, it is projectile. For freeze, I have just a freeze time. Okay, cool. That's what I figured. Then I can get rid of these, which means get rid of those two. Okay, cool, cool, cool. And now just rename this. There. Freeze time. So set position time and increment or initialize timer. So freeze timer plus equals time dot delta time. Can I help you? If you don't eat the cord, you can. If you don't eat my headphones, you can sit on my lap. You silly cat. Yeah, I know. Don't eat the cord though, please. I see you looking at the cord. Don't eat it. No, that is specifically eating the cord is what you are doing right now. Just lay down. Be nice and lay down. Okay, well, that's fine. All right, so then here we will do if freeze timer is greater than 0, then we freeze. And then here, let's say I don't know why they're both capitalized, but we're gonna do Oh, I guess we'll just do if compare tag player. Wow, that is a terrible player. There we go. If the tag is player, then get component player movement dot we'll say set freeze true. Okay, and then else if compare tag is equal to enemy, then boom, do that, but for, so get component enemy movement set freeze false. Yeah, bro, the AI is so bad. Okay, what is the problem here? We need to add its method. There we go. Set freeze doesn't exist in either one. Yeah, I know. But we can save this, then go to any movement. Yeah, we're gonna change this to set freeze. Boolean is frozen. Yeah, it's confusing. That's not confusing at all. Let's do underscore frozen. Okay. So then this up here. Okay, first of all, we can comment this out and comment this out. Then also comment this out. Oh no, except, wait, if frozen, then yeah, just return. And then same thing. If is stunned, just return. Actually, let me just do this one. Okay, and then I should also be able to comment all of these out as well. Should not have any errors. Yeah, that should just be is stunned. Oh, actually, let me do this and this. And now we should have no errors, except for down here. Yes, because all these methods still exist. Okay, cool. Also, yeah, can we... Yeah, maybe just set like frozen to dead. Or is frozen to true. Wow. It's kind of cheap, but I think it'll work. And then please, for goodness sake, do not do this. I don't know why I just said for goodness sake. That was kind of embarrassing. But, oh well. It's gonna look like a Christmas song. Okay, so I'm getting really sidetracked here, but we're gonna keep getting sidetracked. We're just gonna keep going down the tangent. Start coroutine. Get component. Enemy movement. Dot. Death. Oh, it's private. Ha ha ha. That is better than I thought it was going to be, so that's fine. I thought there was like a real issue. I thought you couldn't do that, like make that reference. Public. Okay. Cool. So now, instead of checking every single time in fixed update if it's dead or not, all we got to do is in the health script, the moment it dies, method group to string. Okay. The method it dies, we start the death coroutine. It goes into enemy movement down to death coroutine, which is right here. And then in the death coroutine, it's going to set is frozen equal to true, so it's never going to move. And then it's going to change the death animation. It's going to stop, set its velocity to 0, set its rotation to being straight up and down, so it's facing the correct way when it dies. And then you're just going to wait. And then after X amount of time, it's going to destroy it. All that seems good to me. Now we need to go to player movement. And we're going to go to, or create a new method, I guess. Public void. No, bro. No. Set freeze. Is frozen equals underscore frozen. Underscore frozen is going to go here. Oh, again, stop correcting me. Just because I don't know how to type doesn't mean that I don't know what I'm doing. Private bool is frozen. Okay. Set it equal to false to begin with. Yeah, that's what I mean. Then, if... Yeah, this is also a bad idea. Oh, I'm not the smartest. If you're not frozen. Perfect. It's also not a bad idea to use for Prius should be private. Void. Bro. Stop. Player input. Okay. Then all we're gonna do is, do we have a reference to the player already? No? Okay. So I guess we'll find I don't remember what this is. It's like get something with tag. Oh, it's a game object. Dot get find game object with tag. Player. Then dot get component. Player movement dot set frozen or set freeze to true. And then we're gonna have another one. And start player input. Or I guess call it like disable and then enable is probably more accurate. and then set this to false. Okay, cool. All right. So now we just have to do it at the right time. So anytime you open a control menu, well, when you open the settings menu, do disable player input. And then when you close the settings menu, do enable player input. And then when you, upon startup, actually, player movement set is frozen to true upon start. Then, when you close the menu, isn't there like an intro screen? Oh yeah, start game. Nope. Enable player input. Perfect, I think. Let's go back to status. So, when you first call activate freeze, it's going to set the freeze time equal to the inputted time, which you're getting from the projectile. Freeze timer is going to be initialized. Then you're going to freeze the movement on the movement script. Then every time you call freeze, which is, then on every update, if the freeze timer is above 0, you're going to call freeze. And freeze is we just want to check if the freeze timer is above the freeze time. Then freeze time equals 0. And you do this. Set these to false. No, it should be true. Okay. And then you can ignore the rest of this. Because we don't do anything if it hasn't met the time yet. If it's not time, then you just keep going. And if it is time, freeze time to 0, and then yeah, do the thing. I think we should do. So what do you no, because with freeze, that turns into if you get hit with. I just want to see. So my thought process right now is if you keep getting hit with freeze bullets, you would be infinitely frozen because it would restart every time you get hit with it. So I think that if you get frozen once, then you're just going to be infinitely frozen because they're just going to keep freezing over and over again. That's my guess. I think it's going to be right. We'll see, though. Oof. Oh, that's what else I need to do. I need to change the projectiles. All of these need to be changed to doing I think 10. I think 10 is good because 10 gives me what? Well, if I make my health 200 and then put it at 20, that gives me what is it? Because what was it before? What are enemy projectiles? What were enemy projectiles set to? They had oh, we can go out of debug mode now. They had 10 damage, so I was... What if you just set them all to 10 then, I guess? And then go here and set the enemies to, instead of max health 100, to 20. So we're still only taking 2 hits. We're going to have to change... I don't know if bomb projectiles are any different. No. But poison... Poison intensity is... Now, poison strength should be like... so that's interesting. Because now all of a sudden... Poison isn't doing anything to me, but it'd be doing a lot to them. No matter how I do it. Yeah, I still say for now let's do 2 for... Yeah, 2 or 5 times. Yeah, but that's easily changeable. All you do is go into projectile and do... These systems are designed so terribly. Like, I have made this so much more work on myself than it probably should be. I cannot even lie to you. Because now poison strength... We could do, like, poison strength enemy and then poison strength player. And then down here, pass them both in. And then now we'd have to go to status. Say poison damage enemy, and then player. And then here, this would be poison damage player, and this would be poison damage enemy. But then this is poison damage enemy is, because what I would do is do this and do E and P, and then do E and P. And now it all works. But like that's so annoying. Like I should not have to do that. I don't know. You know, like it works. If it works, it works. You know, like if it works, it works. But anyways, let's go here to the enemy. It should do how much? Like 2, yeah. And then the player it should do like 10, so it'll do an extra 50 damage total. Okay, now what? Oh, we wanted to see if we were gonna freeze forever. That's what it was. Okay. So I should still do 2. I should still be 2-shotting. Oh no, that is not 2-shot. Okay, so that's still 2 shots. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, so I'm not frozen. Interesting. Also, stuff is being skipped is being called. I don't like that one. All right. Also, can we get rid of all this garbage? Also, dead was only called 10 times in one time. That's good. Sir. Bro, my cat is screaming at me. Screaming at me. Interesting. Oh, also, guys, I'm not going to be streaming on Wednesday. Sorry. It's my birthday. And my girlfriend made plans. So I will be busy. She has a surprise for us. I don't know what it is, but we'll see. We'll see. I guess it's a surprise for me. But it's something we're going to do, I think. I don't know. But yeah, unfortunately I will not be able to stream on Wednesday. But I will be back next week, Monday. I also might cut this a little early, but we'll see. We'll see how things are progressing. So we're not freezing, huh? That's the issue, right? We didn't freeze. Let's player movement. And let's go ahead and debug the frozen status. And let's see where this gets us. Yeah, the fact that that's one-shotting is kind of interesting. want to see how much damage this does. Wait, what? Am I not taking damage from this? No, I was definitely not taking damage from this. Interesting. Bro, quit harassing me, my guy. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, that's disgusting. That's such a power shot. So OP. But you can only reach that far. Okay, alright. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. I really don't. Bro, that's not what I wanted at all. Freeze enemy. Okay, so. Let's see. Frozen False. So it hit me and it immediately goes Frozen False. That's a new one. Status. It should be setting it to true. Now I'm just straight up confused. All right, let's try this. Like it literally says set it to true, so I'm not really sure what's going on here. Someone's gonna grab something they left at my house this weekend. I'm gonna have to. I'll have to jump off for a minute or two to go grab it go give it to him, but I'll be back on after that. I think I'll run this to 7. Might as well. We're having fun here. We're cooking. Boom. Frozen False. Not what I expected. Not exactly what I expected. Yeah, again, Frozen False. Bro. Also, it only was called once. Oh, I don't think this is being called from that. This is being called from the game manager. Yeah. Okay. So this is never even being called. That's interesting. Key component player movement dot set freeze to true. So it's never even doing this. You know why? It's never doing this, guys? Because I never even I never called it in the first place. There's 0 references to this, obviously. Projectile and freeze. We're gonna go dot activate freeze time, and here we go. Here we go again. Interesting. Oh, I don't have the freeze power up. At all. Oh, I am frozen. Oh, okay. Well, frozen was set to true. It's not ever saying to not true. Guys, we're stuck. We're stuck. Setting it from the status menu, so that's good. No, we just got frozen again. Okay. Let's go to status. Let's see why it's not ever unfreezing. if freeze timer is greater than freeze time. Because we're never updating the timer. Freeze timer plus equals time dot delta time. Okay. Now this should work. Now this should work. Sometimes I go through the whole stream like this, man, and I get down to the stream and I'm like, I swear I did 2 things and spent the other 40 minutes just like doing nothing. Okay, well now the freeze time is nothing. Interesting. What is the freeze time? Let's see. Projectiles, freeze time. Wow, that's a lot of false frozen sets. Where is it setting it? Anyways, okay, hold on. Let's look at this first. Freeze time is 2 seconds. So I should definitely be frozen. Okay. That's crazy. There's so many calls for frozen false. 2,400 is a lot of calls. And they're all coming from 42, 112. 42 is here, and then 112 is down here. Which doesn't really make any sense. Except the fact that this is, yeah, now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. Okay, freeze timer equals 0. Okay, makes a lot of sense now. All right, let's see if it works this time. Because last couple times I was like, it's gonna work. Now I honestly, I'm not so sure anymore. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. Nope, can't do anything. I need to lead him back. No. Come here. I need to see if you're gonna infinitely freeze me. Okay, so no, that's not. Oh, maybe actually. Bro. It's so hard because I get immediate. Actually, you know what? Let's do this. Okay. All right. I will be actually right back. I'll be right back. All right, gentlemen and ladies, we're back. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're back. All right, let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, so no, it doesn't restart every time. Interesting. I am surprised by that, I will say. So this is new. Oh, actually, yeah. So we just have to get rid of this. An enemy health. So the reason this is being called ever is because it updates the health once the health is less than 0. If current health is less than 0, death, right? So it calls this coroutine. We're gonna say this before I forget. Calls this coroutine on enemy movement, which is this death coroutine. Lets it frozen so it can't move. Sets velocity to 0 so it's not still moving. Rotation sets it, animates it, and then it sets into a wait cycle. But in the wait cycle, if it gets hit again, the enemy health script gets called. Well, it doesn't matter if it gets hit again, actually, because this is still being updated. So you just don't ever you don't ever want to do this. It's terrible. So don't do this. Don't do this. This death script should never be called what? Actually, no, it will be, but it doesn't matter because the first time it's called, any call that happens after, the wait isn't going to be finished until after, and the object is destroyed, so it doesn't matter. Don't eat my shoes. Don't do it. Percy. Kids. Okay, so freeze is done, poison is done. Now do we think we can do stun in a total of 12 minutes? I think we can. All right, let's do this. Copy. It's literally the same thing as freeze. So I think we'll be fine. Activate stun. And call this stun. And then all I have to do is do stun, stun, done, stun, stun, and stun. And we'll change this to stun too. Okay, then we're gonna go up here, and we're gonna do this and change this to stun. How long? Freeze lasts. Okay, so now there should be no, okay, there's 2 errors in here because these 2 methods don't exist. So we're gonna go to the enemy movement and undo this, and this is going to be set stun, and is stunned is going to be set to true. Okay, it's good. We're going to copy this, except for we don't need to log anything. Is stunned. Set stun. Also, we should copy this because this is actually the method that needs to go into enemy movement, not the one I just copied, or not the one that I just enabled. Bool is stunned. Okay. Is not frozen and is not stunned. Okay, then go back to enemy movement and then do that. Which means we also had a mistake in this one. Where is it? There. There we go. Okay. Now we're all good. Oh, actually, no, we're not. We need to change all of these to stun. Okay, set position, time, initialize timer. Oh, set, no, not position, that's poison. Set stun time, initialize timer. And there should also be freeze. Which, another interesting thing is actually, how is this stun even working? Oh, that was knockback. That was knockback. I wasn't getting stunned. I was getting knockback. So then we're gonna do, except for this is gonna be status and activate stun for stun time. Okay, cool. It's gonna be a little harder to tell what's going on here. I definitely messed this up. Shoot. But it's fine. Okay. Oh yeah, this is brutal. Okay, so we never get unstunned. Why is that? Because we didn't make a method up here. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. still got cooked. Let's actually take these away, though. Take me away. So freeze actually might be overpowered. But we'll see. We'll see. Freeze might be overpowered for the others. For the flies, like that might be too powerful to actually be, like, I don't want to say fair, but to be fun. You might just get like stuck. I don't know. I don't know, man. I feel like it's not really stunning me. The knockback is crazy, though. All right, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the stream here. We'll probably touch up some stuff next week, but I like where we've gotten. Appreciate you guys tuning on, but we're going to go ahead and end it here. Thanks, guys. Have a good rest of your week. As I said, I will not be streaming on Wednesday because I got plans that day. But I'll be back here same time next week on Monday, 5 to 7 Eastern time. Thanks, guys. Have a good week. I will hopefully catch you another time.